Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying accounts. Make sure the Google account that will buy apps is signed in on the device. Once done, add the new payment method inside Google Pay for that same Google account so it appears in Play. Now open Play Store and tap your profile icon to confirm which Google account is active. This determines which billing profile will be used for in-app purchases, so don't skip this check. Next, switch the active account in Play Store to the one paired with your desired Google Pay payment method. Tap Profile Payments and Subscriptions payment methods. Play shows payment options for the signed-in account only. Choose or add the card or balance in Google Pay and set it as default. This forces in-app purchases to bill that account. If an app prompts for payment, confirm the selected account and method before completing the purchase. To finish, initiate the in-app purchase and read the checkout header. It must show the Google account and payment method you prepared. If it shows the wrong account, sign out of Play Store and sign in with the target account, then repeat the payment selection steps. If you still can't switch, clear Play Store cache, update Google Play services, and restart the device. This resolves most sync and billing profile glitches, so purchases will use the correct.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.